Hi guys, it's Christine. Me and my groupmates will teach you on how to solve quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Our formula for today is x equals to negative b positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Let's solve for x squared minus 5x minus 14 equals 0. First, let's determine which is our a, b, and c. Our A is 1, our B is negative 5, our C is negative 14. So after nun is i-rewrite natin yung A, B, and C gamit yung formula natin kanina. So dinagdag natin yung negative 5, yung 1, negative 14, and yung 1. So nagtataka kayo kung nanggaling yun. So, nanggaling yun dun sa A, B, and C atin kanina. Negative times negative 5 is positive 5 plus minus. Then, ipagtatimes natin yung negative 5 sa 2, so naging 25. So, negative times negative is equals to positive. Then, 4 times 1 is equals to 4 times 14 equals to 56. Then 2 times 1 is equals to... Tapin natin yung 5, then yung plus minus, then yung square root. After nun, ipagpa-plus natin yung 25 plus 56 equals to 81. Then, overall 2. Ngayon, ikakopy natin yung 5, then yung plus minus. Then, ano ang square root ng 81 is 9. So, overall 2. So, banalap natin yung extra natin. So, 5 plus 9, yung plus sign galing sa plus minus, then all over 2. Ipag-add natin 14 over 2, then simplify, x above natin is 7. So, sa x sub 2 naman natin. So, 5 minus 9 all over 2 is negative 4 all over 2. Then, ang simplify natin. So, x sub 2 natin is negative 2.
2x squared minus 8x is equal to 0. First, we must find the value of a, b, and c. Wow, English na nose bladder ako. Hanapin natin ang value ng a. A is equal to 2. B is equal to negative 8. Sama natin yung negative. And c is equal to, walang constant, so just 0. Substitute. Tandaan na, ang quadratic formula natin ay is x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Substitute na natin. Negative b. Ano nga bang value ng b natin? Negative 8. So, negative times negative 8 plus minus square root of negative 8 squared minus 4 times value of a 2 times value of rc is 0 all over 2 times 2 value of ra is equal to negative times negative 8 is equal to 8. Just 8. Plus or minus square root of negative 8 squared is equal to 64. Wow, angas. Minus 4 times 2 times 0 is 0. All over 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 4 na lang. Is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 64 minus 0 is 64. All over 4. Yan. Simplify. 8 plus or minus 64 is squared. Right? So, square root of 64 is 8. Very good. Galing yung mga bata. All over 4. So, we must find the value of x sub 1 and our x sub 2. Sana all hinanap yung value. Ouch. Dito ko na. X sub 1 is equal to 8. Lagay natin yung addition sign natin or yung plus sign. 8 plus 8 all over 4. Tapos nyan, x sub 1 is equal to 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Ang galing mga bata. All over 4. Simplify. X sub 1 is equal to 16 divided by 4 is equal to 12. I'm sorry. Is equal to 4. Hanap na natin yung x sub 1 natin. Sige yan. X sub 2 naman. X sub 2 is equal to 8. Gamitin na naman natin yung subtraction sign or yung minus sign. 8 minus 8 all over 4. X sub 2 is equal to 8 minus 8 is 0. All over 4. 0 divided by 4 is just x sub 2 is equal to 0. Yan. So, ang value ng x natin ay sa x sub 1 is equal to 4 and sa x sub 2 is equal to 0. Naway natutunan nyo ang mga quadratic formula na ginagamit nyo sa math. At naway makatulong din ako sa pagsagot nyo ng mga mahirap na models niyo. Yan. Salamat!